Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 24th October 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $104 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 0.19% from the previous day's settlement of $104.65. The price has been relatively stable, with a low of $103.20 and a high of $104.60 for the day. Over the past month, the price movements exhibit a notable dip in mid-October, followed by a gradual recovery towards the end of the month. A key factor influencing the current momentum is global market sentiment towards iron ore demand, particularly in China, and broader economic conditions affecting steel production. Additionally, fluctuations in the global commodity market and investor activity appear to be contributing to the slight price decline seen today. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market saw a decline today, with prices showing a downward trend across major hubs. Trading activity remained sluggish, impacted by limited buying interest and cautious sentiment among traders. Market participants noted slower restocking and weak demand from end users, contributing to the overall downturn. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 rupee to 8,500 rupee per ton, ex-barbil, showing a stable movement. Pellet sponge trading levels around 22,000 rupee to 22,100 in Raipur, down by 50 to 100 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 34,400 rupee to 34,500, down by 150 to 200 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 37,300 rupee to 37,400 for the grade Fe500, price down by 200 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.